Narcissists and suicide, a very controversial topic.
Please subscribe, hit the like button, smash the notification bell, and share.
My opinion is, how many people commit suicide every year? How many people commit suicide for no reason, for no apparent reason? That's why we all say, we are so shocked, we are so amazed when somebody commits suicide. They didn't leave a note behind, or a letter behind, telling us why they did this. My opinion, it's narcissism. They are involved with a narcissist. Where narcissists manipulate you to such an extent where you don't know what to do anymore. You don't know how to get out of their clutches. You don't know how to get out of their abuse and putting you down, raping you. A person that commits suicide, I have high regard for people like that, because they saw the only way out from narcissism is to take their own lives. Sad as it is, it's reality. That's how potent narcissism is in our society, in our world. And all the pain and heartache somebody that commits suicide leaves behind. Why? Why do we allow that? A person that commits suicide has just saw no way out anymore. The narcissist abuse you so emotionally and control your mind to such an extent where you don't know what to do anymore. I want to help people. I want to help you to get out and away from a narcissist, to get away from the emotional abuse, to get away from the trampling upon, like mud. They treat you like dirt. I was in a relationship like that, and I survived. I consider myself being a survivor because I came out, and I will never be manipulated again by a narcissist. I go out. When I meet new people, I try first see if this person is narcissistic. And whenever I meet somebody, I sort of just start with a casual conversation about, are you a narcissist? I put it to them bluntly. Sometimes they will say, yeah, they are. Narcissists are sometimes very proud to admit that they are narcissists. Some of them will employ all kinds of tactics to tell them they are not narcissistic. But the more you talk about it, the more you've been through a narcissistic relationship, you will realize what they are. Lying, manipulating, controlling, denial. When you speak to a narcissist and you see those aspects, you are dealing with a narcissist. Get away. Don't get involved. They might turn you to be the next suicide victim. For a narcissist, everything is a game. They don't care. They don't worry about your social stance, about your social being. All they want is to benefit and to show that they are better than everybody else. A narcissist is not better than anybody. A narcissist is not better than anybody, not even you. You are better than them. Why? Because you are a normal person. You have empathy. You see the nice in life. You see the beautiful in life. You see the nature, aesthetics of life. Narcissists don't see that. All they see is gloom and thunder. Narcissists, they always see the bad side in everybody else. They will put you in a situation where you become to think like them, to please them, in order for them, for their pedestal to rise, for them to become more important in the world, so the world can see what a wonderful person they are. They are not. Narcissists are nasty. They will degrade you. They turn normal people into statistics of suicide with no apparent reason for it. That's why I say, go out, guys. If somebody commits suicide, don't blame him or her. Don't judge. For that person was the only way out is suicide, because they don't know how to get rid of a narcissist. Because a narcissist will manipulate and abuse you to such an extent where you think the only way out is suicide.
Please share this.